Hi, I'm Viral Shah.
And I'm Karina Tanna, and we would like to welcome you to the beautiful Almaden Valley.
We're so excited to present to you our newest listing, 1080 Big Sur Drive, a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath single-family home.
It's located in wonderful neighborhood with great schools.
Let's go and take a look.
Thank you so much for viewing this home with me. If you have any questions or if you would like more information, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Have a wonderful day.